A few days ago, while I was practicing yoga on deck, right when I was flowing into Chaturanga, just outside the reef, I saw a whale come completely out of the water and make a huge splash. And I felt a huge sense of gratitude to be able to experience that rare moment in one of the most beautiful places in the world. Every year over the same period, humpback whales come to French Polynesia from Antarctica. French Polynesia declared itself a marine mammal sanctuary in 2002, offering protection to all of the 20 species of whales and dolphins found here. From July to early November, the humpback whales can be found close to the outer reefs as they search for a mate or nurse their young. They do come into the lagoon to rest and seek shelter from predators, so it is illegal to approach, follow, or swim with the whales in the lagoon. Now, a few weeks ago, one did come super close to our boat when we were anchored inside the lagoon, which was incredible. French Polynesia is one of the only places in the world where you can actually swim with the humpback whales. So Ryan and I and other fellow cruisers took a tour with one of the whale watching boats. Now, the local boats out here have naturalist guides and experienced boat captains who offer pretty safe approaches with a really deep respect for the animals we were observing. I couldn't get over their sounds. It was so incredible to hear in the water. You could actually feel the vibrations in your body. Here's one experience I will never forget, and I wanted to share it with all of you.
Wow.